Telling us 30 minutes in from Clear Lake, 44 minutes out of the Woodlands. If you're coming in from Katy, count on 38 minutes, guys.
All right.
Thank you, Jennifer. Well, if you're one of thousands of Houston homeowners who will be making an insurance claim due to storm damage for the first time, the process can definitely seem intimidating.
That's why our consumer expert Amy Davis is here. She spoke with professionals with experience on flood insurance and the repairs to help you with your claim. Good morning.
Good morning. So according to FEMA, there are only 5,000 qualified, certified flood insurance adjusters in the entire United States. Some have more experience than others, and you have no control over which adjuster your insurance company sends to your home. So the first piece of advice is to be nice and helpful, because you want your adjuster in your court.
Water seeped into every inch of this Meyerland home, flooded for the third time in 3 years.
This isn't my first time going through it, unfortunately.
Owner of Senna house buyer Sam Craven is now somewhat of an expert in the flood insurance claims process.
I was lucky I got a good adjuster that was experienced.
But yours may not be. Ask politely how long they've been certified to inspect flooded homes. The less experience they have, the more likely they are to miss things or make mistakes. And you may not have known that insurance adjusters are paid a percentage of your total claim. The more money you get, the more they get.
In a way, they're incentivized to take care of the client and make sure everything is covered appropriately.
After an adjuster checks your home for damage, they will send you a proof of loss quote, a line-by-line item of everything your insurance will pay for.
What you should do is you should review that. If you don't feel comfortable reviewing it, have someone help you review it and see if they've missed anything.
Craven says he found $12,000 of items missing from his quote last year and got it added. Custom trim around the windows that the adjuster had not fully accounted for, and an allowance for a general contractor to oversee the job.
With a project as big as this, a 4,000 square foot house that needs a lot of work, we need to have a GC on this job. Your
adjuster may tell you they won't cover ceramic tile because the water didn't damage it, but that's not always true.
What you want to do is you want to get a rubber mallet or a dead blow hammer or something like that and tap the tile everywhere. And if you hear something that sounds hollow, that probably means there's water sitting under there.
If you suspect there is, try removing just one outer tile. If there's moisture underneath, take pictures and show the adjuster.
Now, Craven also said that his adjuster told him his proof of loss quote wouldn't be ready for at least 60 days, and maybe now not until January, since Hurricane Irma hit Florida. You need that document before you can even begin negotiating with your insurance company.
All right, so what about a public adjuster? I mean, if somebody wanted to hire somebody, for example.
Yeah, so people ask about these all the time. Craven said only if you feel overwhelmed and you feel like you just can't do this process on your own. He said if you do go with a public adjuster, you can typically expect to pay between 5 and 20% of your total loss, and you can wait until after you get that proof of loss claim quote from your insurance company to bring one on board to help you. You don't have to do it right now.
So it's not wasting that money then?
No, it's not. Hey, here's a story now I'm working on for tonight at 10.
It rose